So in this video, I'm going to show you how I took my bathtub drain out of my bathtub. That's a lot harder than it looks. I'll be completely honest. And if you look online, as I did just a couple of minutes ago, you'll see a lot of people attempting different methods on how to get it out. I just used the most logical one that I thought would work. I had no tea, like the tea is gone inside of the bathtub drain, so I had to take a different approach to it. In that case, in order to get this drain into this tub, I had to do a little bit of hammering, a little bit of demolition work there. Without further ado on this point, we're going to go and show you, well, I'm going to show you how I took the bathtub drain out of my bathtub. How do I go about getting this out? The question is, how do I go about getting it out?
So I finally got to get into the drain. I cut some notches in here, and this is actually very simple if you're willing to do it. Cut some notches to take your hammer and a chisel. Nothing but a chisel. I'm gonna say that right now. And just start hammering away at it. No, I think that's tightening. No, I was right. I feel like I broke this thing. Am I out? Am I out? Free spinning? Oh, look at that! I know! That's a big deal too. This, I know how long this one has been here. This has been here probably about 25 years. Use this. Me and my sister, we used the bathroom here a lot when we were younger chaps. So I feel like since we broke this, it should be something on our list to replace. Wow! Look at that. Alright, so here's the new one. Here's the old one. Yeah. Let's see how we can get that old seal out. You guys see why they did that? We got that old seal. Alright, now we're going to drive that new seal in. I'm just going to pry it in there. Get this flathead. Okay, so far, so good. I don't know why there's a bump there. There we go. There we go. Probably not the ideal tool. Ideal stuff. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but it's pretty tight. The little metal piece that goes in between at the bottom, just screw that in right here. There we go. And then where's the topper? We got the topper right here with the little screw at the bottom. Take the topper with the screw. There we go. So it's open, it's closed, open, closed. You want to remove it, remove it all. Want to install it, install it. Mended! Yes!
I hope this helps somebody in the long run. My bathtub drain is fully functional now. And I mean, it is fully functional. It does hold water. And I would use plumber's putty instead of the caulk that I used in the video. Just a heads up, don't use caulk. That was a terrible idea. That was terrible. I fixed it with plumber's putty. There's a tool that you can get for about $10 from Lowe's or Home Depot that you're able to utilize to get the tea in or tea out. However, you will have to use it once and never again. So that's an advantage that you want or don't want. Depends on how you want to approach that. Just want to put that out there. You have a drain, which is nice. I don't know what I'm ever going to use it for. It's just, it was driving me crazy, the corrosion and all that. Thank you for watching. I hope this helps somebody else in their attempt to try and fix their bathtub or anything of that nature. I'm slowly remodeling the house, so I'm working casually and carefully on different things around the home place. Yeah, that's all I can say. But without further ado, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. And I'll be back with another video, either car, camera, home, anything at this point. Maybe even just me talking for a little bit. So, have a good one.